Hey there, let us talk about the 3 best folding phones in the market as the trend of making of folding has increased in recent years, so let's roll. Number 1, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5.
Samsung launched the next generation foldable phones last month. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 12GB RAM and up to 1TB onboard storage. The foldable sports a 7.6-inch QXGA Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity Flex display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 6.2-inch HD Plus cover display that is also a Dynamic AMOLED panel with 120Hz adaptive refresh rates. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a 50MP plus 12MP plus 10MP camera setup at the back and a 10MP plus 4MP setup at the front.
Number 2, Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 3.
Xiaomi will soon launch Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 in the global market. The foldable is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. It might pack a 4800 mAh battery with 67W fast charging capability and a 32MP selfie camera at the front. At the back will be a 50MP quad camera setup, while the foldable will run Android 13 OS. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 is said to have an 8.0.
Number 3, OnePlus Open.
OnePlus has confirmed that it will be the first foldable very soon. The brand has also confirmed the name to be OnePlus Open, and the expected launch date is 29th of August. OnePlus Open is expected to have a 7.8-inch 2K AMOLED inner screen and a 6.3-inch AMOLED outer screen, both having a refresh rate of 120 Hz.
See you next time. Thank you for watching.
The foldable might be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 16GB RAM and 256GB storage.